I'm going to show you how to make $10,000 to $30,000 a month from the comfort of your couch by selling on Etsy and never touching any inventory. It's called print on demand, meaning I don't have any inventory. The supplier does all the shipping for me and I don't even have a website. So let's go to my computer so I can show you how much I made and how you can replicate my results. We are inside my Etsy dashboard, and as you can see, the last 30 days I made $32,000 gross. This is an example of kind of jewelry I sell on Etsy. So let's get you started, shall we? First, you'll need to set up an Etsy store, and now I'm going to show you how to set up the supplier and how to upload your designs. First, go on shineon.com and click on Start Selling Today to start setting up your account. Then you're going to click on Connect a New Store, and you're going to connect your Etsy store. Next, you'll go back on the Shineon platform, click on All Products, and create New Product. Here you can choose from multiple different jewelry designs, and all you have to do is design the back of the card. So let's pick one.